Yes, sir. You can take it to him. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. All right, let's see. Potentially open it with this instead. Yeah, I see it. All right, there we go. All right, that was easier. Yeah, not yet, not yet, not yet. I don't want the door to stay like this. Don't you? Hold this. You don't want to take it out here. Here, here. All right, it's open, brother. Yeah, yeah. It was a better spot to. Yeah. Here you go. Yeah. Uh, just it.